Can you keep a secret? I ask. Laetitia shrugs. Try me, she prompts. I scratch my head. I'm buying an island, I say. Huh? One of the islands that form the shape of Australia, in the World Islands, I state. There will be an island women's refuge there for women who want to run away from their partners. I'm the Australian ambassador to Amériçaisia, so I can pull strings to get people to work for me. To work for you? Laetitia asks. Who exactly? In India, very young women are forced to tend cotton plants, because some say that they have the best fingers to use to move pollen from one plant to another, and remove anthers from the plants, so that self-pollination does not occur, and get paid just €2.50 daily, something I certainly could not live on. But people care more about the plants being free of diseases and various than the girls tending them being free. So, what exactly do you want the women, if they are even women, to be doing on your private island? This was not the reaction to my words that I expected. What if my proposals receive an equally poor reaction when people hear about them? I don't want to be the nut that causes this kind of reaction. Any artistic images should be a reaction against abuse. Perhaps self-pollination is like self-promotion. But then people get cross. What do women see inside a train? What can they? They can't look around themselves much with their husbands around, maybe. So the only people who'll see my advertisements may be men. Or Laetitia. The women won't be working for me, I stress. And I'll pay workers a lot. Only men then? Laetitia asks. Sexist, no? I finger people who hoard money. Like they are vegetables. Especially foreign fingers of landhoppers like yourself. Now, you will just be making more men rich. This island doesn't have a rich history, I say. This one is different. And women will work for me only if they want to. I'll need them. Like nimble fingers? No, I say. My own fingers are nimble enough. I'll need them to be doing what they want to do. What if any good company you have attracts predatory attention? I don't know, I say. I really hope they won't. You are rich, Laetitia says. Bad people are going to want to talk to you all the time. Is this what you are going to say to them when they ask for something? I do not know, rather than no. You seem like a pushover. Psychopaths will love you. How can your words, expression and looks be so dark just before dawn? I ask. You are the one who asked if I could keep a secret, Laetitia says. That's quite the opposite of start a rumor, I state. And you have a problem with the way I look now? I am too dark? And you are not fond of the way I express myself verbally? Are you not going to be a champion of my right to do so? You are just full of excuses. And coming here, and after some darkness, like your manner of acting in good faith's possibly dark, to do things behind closed doors. After what darkness? I ask. And my manner is more sad than archaically evil. What did you do to become the Australian ambassador to Amériçaisia in the Trump era? Laetitia asks. What are you after besides low expectations of parents? It's the dawn of the West era, I say. Kanye's in charge. But I'm independent anyway. Those are more dark words, if you don't mind. I place a finger to my lips. Now our whole conversation is dark, Laetitia states. You should have never mentioned your intentions to me. I didn't want you to be in the dark about your future, I say. I was actually hoping to offer you a job. Like I want to waste my time on your uninhabited island, waiting for women to come, Laetitia says, shaking her head. I really help people in a real hospital. You really think you can give women a hand by fingering their overprotective husbands? And telling the women too as well. Yours will surely be chopped off before they do such a thing with theirs. What you are asking women to do is trust you more than Allah. Do you understand me? Sadly, I nod. Her points are numerous, and my argument yet to be formed, like a government or research forming my job. Your island is a sandbar? Laetitia continues. It is not heaven. It is not a hospital. It is not a refuge. You are a leader of a cult, an antichrist. You want women to spit on you, but it will more likely be men. Do you have anything to say before I tell people that young children will see your advertisements, which I'm sure you will want displayed in prominent locations? Or will they be walking advertisements themselves and their hands hard because they have been busy building cotton cloud9s for higher-ups? And if they want to return to the mainland, you will tell them that only evil men are there and urge them not to. I really will not be getting children to build anything, I state. I can assure you. But what if they ask to? What if they see your advertisements and they come and ask to work for you? Are you not going to do this in India also? I am sure you will. I think you should leave our country now. You fucking tycoon. Laetitia, I start. I instinctively reach out for her shoulder. Get the fuck away from me, Laetitia says sternly. One move, I yell, and you go to prison. I nod and back away. She leaves me. I back away to piece number 8.